Welcome to the Warranty Department. In addition to processing all warranty claims for Kershaw and ZT knives, we perform a variety of additional services as a courtesy. Whether your knife needs repairs, a blade replacement, or you're requesting one of our free services such as parts or sharpening, our warranty team handles all of these in our USA facility, guaranteeing the best possible service. If you have any questions about the benefits we offer, just give us a call or fill out the contact form on our website.